explain the various factors that affect electron affinity. The electron affinity of an element may be defined as amount of energy. This is released when an extra electron enters the valence orbital of an isolated neutral atom to form a negative ion. Atom plus electron gives negative ion plus energy. The unit of electron affinity is equal to kJ per mole. Factors affecting electron affinity. Atomic size. Electron affinity inversely proportional to size of atom. Smaller the size of an atom, greater is its electron affinity. As the size of atom increases, the effective nuclear charge decreases. Consequently, atom will have less tendency to attract additional electron towards itself. Effective nuclear charge. Electron affinity directly proportional to effective nuclear charge. When the nuclear charge increases, the atom will have more tendency to attract more electrons towards itself. Shielding or screening effect. Electron affinity inversely proportional to shielding effect. Electronic energy state lying between nucleus and outermost state hinder the nuclear attraction for incoming electron. Therefore, greater the number of inner lying states, less will be the electron affinity. Electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of elements influence their electronic affinities to a considerable extent. Electronic affinities of inert gases are zero. This is because their atoms have stable Ns2-Np6 configuration in the valence shell, and there is no possibility for addition of an extra electron. Electron affinity of beryllium, magnesium and calcium is practically zero. This is attributed to extra stability of the fully completed s orbitals in them. Thus, if an atom has fully filled or off-filled orbitals, its electron affinity will be low. How electronegativity values help to find the nature of bonding between atoms. The concept of electronegativity can be used to predict whether the bond between similar or dissimilar atoms is non-polar covalent bond, polar covalent bond, or ionic bond. When Xa is equal to Xb, that is Xa-Xb is equal to 0, then AB bond is non-polar covalent bond or simply covalent bond and is represented as AB. For example, HH bond in H2 molecule is a covalent bond and is represented as HH bond. When Xa is slightly greater than Xb, that is Xa-Xb is small, the AB bond is polar covalent bond and is represented as A sigma minus B sigma plus. For example, the OH bonds in H2O molecule are polar covalent bonds and are represented as O sigma minus H sigma plus. Since XO greater than XH and XOXH is small. When Xa greater than Xb, that is XAXB is very large, AB bond is more ionic or polar bond and is represented as A minus B plus since Xa greater than Xb. For example, NaCl bond in NaCl molecule is an ionic bond and is represented as Na plus Cl minus.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational